Friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions, bringing you a quick tip in Chief Architect. I want to talk about the question on Facebook, how to mirror a symbol. Back in X14, we could open up this symbol and click on reverse symbol, and you'll notice now the spout and handle is on the right side. And if I uncheck reverse symbol, it shows up on the left side. That went away in X15. Well, now that we're in X17, I want to show you the same thing. We have the drain on the left. I'm just going to select that, and one of my child tools, mine is down here on the bottom. You may have right click set up as one right click. I have to double right click in the settings to show this child menu here, and reflect about object is the one I want. Undo that. Reflect about object, come on. Why is it not doing this? There we go. Interesting how it reflect about object does not seem to do the same thing that the child tool does. There we go. When I reflect about just the center of the fixture itself, I just mirror it right there. It flips from left to right. Quick, simple fix. We can do that in 15, 16, or 17. Just mirror, and you get the same effect. I hope that helps. If you like this, click like and subscribe. Catch you later.